No way. Oh, it's a one-wheeler. Let's go park it. Let's go.
That was perfect.
Dude, we killed it.
Dude, that was perfect.
I feel like we killed it. I already feel like there's just a Bluetooth connection between us.
That's a stacker car racer.
Honestly, it just felt right. There was no point where I was like, he's not doing the right thing. We were just gliding. We need a little bit more of a diff to get us to do a full donut.
Yeah.
Because she wants to spin the inside once the weight shifts.
Yeah.
But I mean, I feel like all
we started going and the
doesn't
radiator
feel bad.
fan in here is still here. I'm just watching it spin. Just holding the balance. I'm like, oh, this is like playing Xbox.
it actually doesn't feel like it's gonna roll. Like I could feel it hitting the sway bar on the Crown Vic and holding. And I was like, I could turn more and it would just understeer rather than flip.
I think that might have been your tire hitting
had
your
a little
fender.
tire
Oh, did we?
Yeah. So what happened is we go to turn it body roll over this and hook it and just keep us from.
We're gonna have a little bit more.
Yeah,
once
we need a
fix
little
that.
tug.
So I guess February 3rd, we'll be racing stacker cars.
Winter warm up series.
Probably bring them out at Freedom 500 too, maybe.
I mean, it's your birthday, dude.
It's my
your call.
birthday.
You
No
should do
holds
that.
back for the
Yeah.
Freedom 500. Let's check out this food trailer
Yeah,
real
let's
quick
do it.
before we end off. All right, boys. New unit. You guys know at the Freedom Factory, sometimes, we only have food on this side and that side, and then we do the burnouts in the middle. We need food for the middle. So we got an auxiliary food trailer. So now we can have food everywhere at
Right
the
there,
Freedom
boy,
Factory.
McFarland eating.
The food factory.
Harley.
Check that out.
Oh,
Hot dog, man. Hot dog. Same capacity as like our small concession stand. We got fryer, stovetop, we got the sink over there, we got a little sprinkler system, the hood, you know?
Nice.
I mean, come on.
Dude, that hood.
Got a nice table here, outlet. Jackson, I can serve you over here.
Let me get a Hell Yeah Brother special.
Oh, sorry, brother. Sorry, brother. No Hell Yeah Brother specials at this moment. But you come back, Freedom 500.
I'll take a rain check.
April 5th, I'll give you one.
Okay.
We should have worked this at the Freedom 500.
I will 100% sling hot dogs and bush lights. You want some entertainment with your hot dog and bush light? You come see Jack stand at the McFarland Eats trailer.
Dude, if you work this at the Freedom 500 for a couple hours, people would love it.
Oh, I will. I'll lock me in, boss.
Done deal, locked in. Jack
Front counter, dude. Come
be
see me.
slinging Hell Yeah Brother specials for a few hours at the Freedom 500. If you haven't bought a ticket to that already, I would. Thefoat.com/Freedom Factory, because your ticket at whatever the price is, $40 Friday, $30 Saturday, you cannot even think of buying the value you can get for that ticket right now. Like I'm telling you right now, you buy a ticket for $30, it's worth like $100 because it's my birthday. We're spending far more money than we're going to make on this event, because I guarantee you, when I tell you some of the things we got lined up over the next few months before the Freedom 500, you're going to be like, damn, I wish I bought a ticket. So the VIP sold out, but there's still general admission available. So thevote.com/Freedom Factory, get your Freedom 500 tickets. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. We'll freaking